Today, we're in a vibrant area of Boston on 6365 Brookley Road, and I can't wait to show you this amazing 2-bedroom condo. I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate. Today, we're at this great 2-bedroom condominium in Jamaica Plain with an open living dining room and an eat-in kitchen. In addition to this lovely updated kitchen, we have in-unit laundry and a private back deck. I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate. Thank you for visiting 6365 Brookley Road, Unit 3 in Jamaica Plain.